So hello guys, drum roll, finally, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Arpita Rajgupta, restarting again my YouTube channel after so long, and I'm very proud of it. If I'm consistent, so something about me, this particular insan sitting in front of you is Arpita Rajgupta. I'm a fashion designer, fashion stylist, and fashion YouTuber. So today, ज़्यादा बड़बड़ ना करते हुए, we will dive into it. Okay, video introduction में This video we will be using Terra Guides water for 7 days straight, and I would be telling you about the changes that I feel in my skin. Moreover, about the texture, pimple, breakouts, each and everything. Like I would be documenting 7 days of mine where I am using this guides water. ज़्यादा बड़बड़ ना करते हुए, let's just dive into it.
I have a bare skin now. Like I just came out of a shower. I have few breakouts, which is like 2 year with tiny bumps. And this baby coming out, and 3 kind of here. And that's it. 1 year as well. And I'll spray this off on my face. I'll let it dry and then I'll go with my usual moisturizer.
Just had a shower and it's time to use this. It's my second day and I haven't seen any difference lately. You can see there's nothing, no more breakouts, no pumps, nothing. बस ये पिंपल छोटा हो गया, which I'm very glad of. But I don't think so वो इससे हुआ. Again, we'll let it dry like.
It's 12:30. मैं 12:15 से वीडियो बना रही हूँ एंड दिस इज माई 4th टेक. और मैं तब से ये बोल रही हूँ इट्स 12:30, लुक इट्स 12:30, एज इफ मैं मैनिफेस्ट कर रही थी कि 12:30 बजे ये वीडियो बनेगा. आई होप दिस इज द लास्ट टेक. कीपिंग दिस क्रैप असाइड, मैं आज सुबह स्किन केयर करना भूल गई थी. आई मीन नॉट स्किन केयर करना भूल गई थी. आई फॉरगॉट टू यूज दिस टोनर. सो मुझे याद नहीं आता है. आई जस्ट केम आउट ऑफ नोवेयर कि नहीं मैं अभी लगा के सोऊंगी, अदरवाइज वो 7 डेज चैलेंज ब्रेक हो जाएगा और फिर मेरी स्किन वोंट बी स्किनिंग एट ऑल. माय स्किन वोंट बी स्किनिंग. So I would be using this. I will be using this. By the way, this is my 3rd day and अभी तक I haven't seen any noticeable change unless I have like ये जो पार्ट है ये थोड़ा ब्राइटन अप हो चुका है क्योंकि मेरी आईज के अराउंड वाला जो पार्ट है इट हैज बीन वेरी डार्क फॉर द ऑब्वियस रीजन क्योंकि मेरा स्लीप what the hell is this like? My my sleep schedule is like it's gone. बहुत ही मेंटल डिस्टर्ब हो गया. My sleep look this is what I'm talking about. मेरा sleep schedule इतना बुरा है that I'm stammering. Okay, तो for obvious reason वो बहुत बुरा है. For obvious reason ये थोड़ा dull और blackish है. But अभी मेरा sleep schedule ठीक हुआ नहीं है, but still it's glowing. It's not glowing. It has like improved. Other than that, there's nothing I have seen. अभी मैं कितने चिट चैट कर रही हूँ रेगुलर वीडियोस में नहीं करती हूँ कि मैं भागते भागते वीडियोस बनाती हूँ, भागते भागते यूज कर रही हूँ, जल्दी मॉइस्चराइजर यूज कर रही हूँ. बट इट्स ओके. और मुझे ये बताना था, थैंक गॉड की चिट चैट करने के बाद मुझे ये याद आया कि इसकी स्मेल काफी रिफ्रेशिंग है. तो ऑब्वियसली लोग मुझे पागल बोलेंगे जिन्होंने भी राइस वाटर यूज करा है क्योंकि राइस वाटर की स्मेल बहुत बहुत पैथेटिक होती है. लाइक इट्स टेरिबल. यू विल बी ट्रॉमेटाइज्ड फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ योर डे इफ यू यूज राइस वाटर. बट इसकी रिफ्रेशिंग है बिकॉज मैंने एक आर्टिकल में पढ़ा था दैट यू हैव टू डाइल्यूट इट विद something like obviously non-toxinated things. It can be water, gulab gel, anything, any toner of yours. I'll link that article below. It's not a trusted site, so don't call me out. Okay, I'll definitely link that article below. So I have used a secret ingredient which not only like make your skin skinning more, like make your skin good. पता नहीं मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. It also make that whole thing good to smell. Like it's very refreshing as well as it smells good. So if you want to see that secret ingredient, do stick to this video till the end, and I'll show you how I have made my rice water, and you can make it too. I'm so sorry guys, I can't bear this.
This is my 4th day. I just had a shower and now, bina bhule, I'm gonna apply this first and then we'll see if there's any change or something. तो इतना ठंडा होता है ना कि by the way it's good for skin. Again the process would be the same. Let it dry and then we'll apply the moisturizer.
Uh, no changes till date unless my skin has got brighter and it looks good. I mean, my skin is skinning right now other than these dark circles. क्योंकि मेरी स्लीप शेड्यूल और मेरा डाइट इज द वर्स्ट right now. मैं सो रही हूँ 4 बजे, 5 बजे, उठ रही हूँ 11 बजे, एंड देन आई एम हैविंग माय ब्रेकफास्ट एट 12, लंच एट 4, डिनर एट 10. So, उसे इग्नोर करते हुए आई एम प्रीटी गुड. आई वुड डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड अभी तक इफ यू हैव दिस, आई मीन if you have this, like not only the rice water but the secret ingredient with, but I would definitely recommend this, not only the rice water but एक ठंडा टोनर जिसमें ना कि राइस वाटर हो बट ऑल्सो इट हैज द सीक्रेट इंग्रेडिएंट जो आपको लास्ट में पता चल जाएगा. इट इज सो रिफ्रेशिंग, यू नो. I just love it. Like I have a tiring day and then I spray it on my face and I feel like, wow, this is what I need. So you can definitely try. And for 7 days, give it a shot. There's no harm. I haven't seen any breakouts. So I would recommend, like, you can do a patch test for 2 to 3 days. If there's something, don't use it. But it's cost effective. तो तुम्हारे कुछ पैसे नहीं जा रहे, तुम्हारे घर पे वो white rice होगी. You can use that. I mean, you have to use that. तो उसमें इतने थोड़े से राइस को लेके तुम्हारे कोई पैसे नहीं जाते. You can definitely try and give it a shot. And make sure कि ये फ्रीजर में रहे because other than that you can't store it anywhere. Like बाहर रखोगे फॉर्मेंट होते जाएगा, जितना फॉर्मेंट होगा उतना I don't know क्या होता है, but keep it in freezer because उसके बाद if you apply it on your face, you know, it feels amazed.
बॉडी है, नंगा थोड़ी है. मम्मी तुम भी 30 डेज राइस वाला चैनल कर रहे क्या?
30 नहीं है, 7 है.
इसलिए डेली तुमको काटे वीडियो बना रही है.
यस.
पता चला चेहरा और खराब हो.
नहीं भाई, राइस वाटर से हम अपने चेहरे में चेंज देखे हैं. यहाँ का पूरा वो जो डार्क स्पॉट सा खत्म हो गया है.
पहले दिन वीडियो ना तेरे पास, अभी पता चल ही जाए. कितना दिन हुआ?
5वां दिन है.
परसों पता चल परसों तो पता चल ही ना जाएगा. परसों तो पता चल ही ना जाएगा. हट.
Clearly, I don't remember which day it is, but still, I'm so in love with this, na? I keep on reusing it. I do mention the day above, but ऐसे I don't remember which day it is. But I can clearly see the result. Like my face has quite brightened up, and it's quite refreshing using this. And I'm thinking to continue it for 30 days as well. Okay, before getting to the conclusion, we'll see how the rice water was made.
सबसे पहले बंद दिखा देना.
Okay, this 7 days was not that difficult for me because the rice water and the smell was quite soothing because of this gulab jal. But it was a hectic task to remember कि हाँ रोज सुबह उठ के लगाना है, which you'll get a hang of it if you use it for 19 to 21, like 1 month. And I'm thinking and planning of doing this all same. I didn't notice any like drawback of this because I didn't had any breakouts nor I had any allergies. Though my skin is allergic, like it's allergic to certain things, still I didn't had any allergy or breakouts. It has a whole lot of positive thing. A, that's कि ये refrigerator में रहता है, it's cool and it's refreshing when you use it on your face, especially in the morning, because we all know how beneficial eyes are for our skin, right? So you can use this and it's great, it's good, like you'll feel refreshing. The other thing is कि in the span of the 7 days, 7 months, something like in the span of the 7 days, I have literally felt the difference. I'll show you the picture. Like I'll show you, I have my phone with me, and here it is. So this is the picture. Like you can clearly see the difference, but yeah, this is the picture. I'll show you. It's in the original format only. Like it's not edited. Neither we have used filter. Yeah, it's original. This is the picture, and I'll show you the other as well. Like the now version of it as well. Abhi I haven't used anything other than this rice water and moisturizer. This is the camera. I'm not a hand of it. Like, it's difficult for me to take 2 phones. And so this is the picture. Again. Again the normal version. I'll keep the pictures for your reference here and there. Now also I feel my skin is like skinning. It's good. And in 7 days it's huge. I'll try it definitely बाद में before. And this is the after. And this, it's like huge. I mean, I haven't thought कि 7 दिन में मुझे इतने changes दिखेंगे. Like ये बहुत बड़ी changes भी नहीं है, but I haven't thought कि कुछ changes भी दिखेंगे. But it's good कि I've seen those changes and I've decided to use it further. So then please do share, subscribe and like this video. And I'll do these challenges because ये ऐसे video document करने के चक्कर में I can feel the benefit of doing this. And you can do it too if you want to. But do take this challenge, man. It's really worth it and it's great. Till then, bye bye.